Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to show you the process of engraving on bamboo pen using the F1 Ultra machine and combining it with UV Dtf stickers to create a more premium and eye-catching result. First, we start with the UV Dtf sticker process. We print the colored design using a UV Dtf printer. Once the printing is done, we carefully apply the sticker onto the bamboo surface. Next, we move on to the engraving process using the F1 Ultra machine. For bamboo, we use suitable settings to ensure the engraving is clear without being too deep. As the machine runs, the laser precisely engraves the design onto the bamboo surface. Here's the final result after combining UV Dtf stickers and engraving. The sticker adds vibrant color, while the engraving gives a natural and premium finish, making the product look more unique and high quality.